Exploring Manawa Bay in Auckland, New Zealand. So Manawa Bay is a mall na isa lang siyang paikot na mall na nandoon na lahat ng mga different brands selling their own products. So maganda siya kasi simple lang, isang ikot lang, maikutan mo na lahat. So magkakatabi yung mga tindahan ng sapatos, damit. So in terms of having a choice, there's a lot of choices in that mall. And also yung food, very centralized din yung nila, food court. So you can go around and enjoy your time. It's a very compact complex. So maganda siya in terms of doing your shopping. You can take the whole day, or you could also do a fast one. So depende na sa inyo on how you budget your time spending in that mall. So yun lang, try to explore Manawa Bay in Auckland, and enjoy your time there finding good deals. There's a lot of discounts on the product, so make the most. Okay, salamat kabayan. Please subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat.